Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add products from Alibaba to Shopify, or how you can dropship Alibaba products on Shopify. This is going to be a step-by-step video. All you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step, of course. Now after that, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then after that, guys, you want to click here. Let me just switch to my other like Shopify store. Okay, so like I said, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and after that you want to click on apps and sales channels. Now after that you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. It's going to take you guys to Shopify App Store. Okay, just to log in with your account here, and it will take you guys to Shopify App Store. You want to search for Alibaba. Okay, and after you search for Alibaba, you will find a lot of apps that will help you add products or dropship products from Alibaba to Shopify. Okay, so the one I like the most here is, it's good, this one, as you can see, Importify Easy Dropshipping. I already tried this. As you can see, it's like grow dropship products with AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy. Now you want to click on the app. It's called the Importify Easy Dropshipping. You want to click on install. This app will help you add products from Alibaba to Shopify in just one click. Okay, it's very easy. You want to confirm, click again on install. Okay, so after, guys, you click on install, you want to open a new tab, okay, and search for Importify extension. Okay, you just need to search for the exact same app, and you want to search for it so that you can download an extension. Okay, like I said, click on the first result, and this is the extension that you need to download. Click on add to Chrome and click on add the extension. Okay, after that you want to pin this extension in the top right. This extension will help you import products in just one click. You want to click on the extensions icon in the top right, and you want to pin the extension. Okay, so after that you want to go back to the Importify app. Now what you guys need to, you want to select one of these plans. They offer a free trial, but it's only 1 day. Of course, if you don't like the free, if you don't like the app, you can always delete the app and you will not charge your credit card or anything. Now I'm going to go with the basic plan, which is more than enough. I'm going to click on select. And as you can see, guys, you will say 1 day free trial here. You have a 1 day free trial ending on November 14. Now, I'm going to use the app, but if you don't like it, you can just remove the app. You just need to go to settings and click on apps and sales channels, and you can remove the app. Okay, and then you will not charge your card anymore. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, what you need to do. You need to go to apps and sales channels, find the app here, three little dots, and install it, and then you will not charge. You can just import as many products as you want, and after you are finished, then you can delete the app. Okay, so that's exactly what you need to do. Now I'm going to go, like I said, with the basic plan. I'm going to click on select, and after that I will just click on approve. Okay, so after, guys, you click on approve, what you guys need to do next is you want to go now to Alibaba. As you can see, as asked me, guys, to authorize. As you can see, AliExpress authorization needed. I don't want to connect to AliExpress. So what you guys need to do, you want to go to Alibaba. Okay, you want to find any products on Alibaba. I'm going to click on alibaba.com and search here for any products. I'm also going to show you guys some tips. Probably you don't know this. For example, if you are searching, if you want to import a single product from Alibaba, make sure you select here. You want to check one of these, okay, where it says delivery by. You want to go with the closest one, or this is the fastest one, which is for, in this case, it's going to be December 1. I'm going to click on the first one. Now all these products you will be able to import them to your own Shopify store. Now I'm going to, for example, I'm going to import this product. Click on it, and after you are on the product page, you want to click now on the extension that you have downloaded, and you want to click on import now. And of course, you can make some changes before pushing this product to Shopify. You can, for example, change the title of the product. I'm going to make it smaller, and also you can change the price here. You can increase the price. Okay, you can also change the description. You can change variants, images. After you click on images, you want to click on select all images. Okay, and you wanna click on add to store. Okay, this is going to take a few seconds for this to upload on. As you can see, we have successfully created the product page. Now if you go to your own Shopify store, you will find the product, as you can see, with different variants, as you can see, okay, with different colors. As you can see, this is the description of the product. Okay, so if you have any questions, you don't understand anything, go to the comments and ask me any question. I reply to everyone. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.